अस्सलामु अलैकुम dear student. औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. सल्लल्लाहु अला मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Let us take another part of our series of lectures on passive forms. Today we are going to see a different type of passive form. As in all lectures we had seen common formula for active voice, common formula for passive voice, so that you may learn it very easily. Common formula for active voice: subject comes before verb, object goes after verb, and verb is changeable. In common formula for passive form, object comes in the beginning, third form of verb is used, and subject is connected with by to the main sentence, and this V changes according to this BC changes according to this VC. Now we are going to see how to change the sentences of active voice containing is to, am to, are to, was to, were to from active to passive. Now you can see B will mean here is, am, are, or was, or were. So our this formula will be B2 means whenever you find B2 in the active voice sentence, B2 means is to, am to, are to, was to, were to. So this will be changed into B2B. B2B means is to be, am to be, are to be, or was to be, or were to be. Now let us see the sentences, example sentences. As we have always done, object comes before the subject, that is it. Space for the helping verb, third form of verb, done by me. Now you can see here am was used because subject was I, but here am cannot be used. What can be used here? Is, and to will become to be. So your answer will be it is to be done by me. Next sentence, them will come here, it will become they, space, third form of verb, called by, she becomes her. Now you can see here is was used. Why? The subject was she, but now the subject is they. What will be used? Yes, are, and this to will be changed into to be. They are to be called by her. Next sentence, you are to respect him. Him becomes he. Third form, respected by you. He respected by you. Now are was used in the question. Why? The subject was you, but now this are will be changed into is, and to will be changed into to be. Your answer will be he is to be respected by you. Let us see the next sentence. She was to cook food. Now you can see is, am, are is present. So in place of is, am, are can be used, was, were cannot be used. Now here the helping verb is was, it is past. So in place of was only were can be used according to circumstances. Is, am, are cannot be used. So food is the object, food will be brought in the beginning. Third form, cooked by, she becomes her. Now you can see here was used because she was singular. Again food is singular, so was will be used, and the passive voice of to cook will be to be cooked. Next sentence, you were to write a letter. A letter is the object, it will be brought in the beginning, space, third form, written by you. Now were was used. Why? The subject was you. With you we use were, but with letter, a letter we use was. So this were will be changed into was, and this to write to be written. Next sentence, she was to help us. Us will become we, and you understand with we use were, not was. So here in place of was we use were. To help, to be helped. She becomes by her. I hope you understand the topic. Inshallah in the next video we will take another topic. Till then, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.